Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove unwanted objects from your video using CapCut PC. Okay, let's get into it guys. I have created a project on my CapCut PC application, and first of all, I'm going to add my video to the timeline or to the track like this. And wait guys. Okay, and for example, I'm going to remove this object from my video. If we want to remove unwanted object, we need to duplicate our video. We can right click on our video and then we can select copy and then right click again and paste, or you can click on Control and V. Okay, now the video has been duplicated and I have made it as an overlay, and we're going to use mask to remove the unwanted object. So we can go to the mask and then we can select the shape of the mask, and I'm going to select circle like this, and we can adjust the size and also the position of the mask, and take another part of your video to cover the unwanted object. And I'm going to take this part because this part will be suitable to cover it, and we can go to the basic and then drag the mask to cover the unwanted object. Okay, you can keep adjusting until you're satisfied with how it looks. Okay, and to make it more natural, I recommend you to go to the adjustment right here, and then you're going to adjust the lightness. I'm going to increase the lightness just a little bit. Oops. Okay, I think I need to adjust it again guys. Let's try 3 or 2. Okay, perfect. And this is the result. As you can see that the unwanted object has been removed from my video. Okay guys, and that's all the way to remove unwanted object from your video using CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.